It's really black. The rocks. I'm just gonna continue. Ah, it's not charging later. Nui Beach. So this is Nui Beach.
Nui Bay.
Nui Bay. Very nice. It's a small bay. But a lot of people coming here because this is #1 beach here in Koh Lanta. Number nice sand. I will stop here. Welcome to Nui Bay, everybody. Okay, so here in Nui Bay, it's popular. There are many people here, many tourists coming here. So first you have to go down from the road because the beach is down of the roads, and then here you will see the beauty of the nature. I mean the beauty of the beach. It's perfect here. I think this is number one, the best beach here in Koh Lanta. Perfect sand, fine sand, crystal water. Yeah, perfect. It's not that big, it's a small beach, but a lot of people. I mean, many tourists come here because it's nice beach. You can come here and enjoy your vacation. It's also affordable here in Koh Lanta. It's not that expensive like Koh Lanta. Nice sand, no? You can also do snorkeling here. Look at these rocks. It's black. And look, is this because of the waves? That's why it's sharp.